If you're an SMA owner in 2023, I'm going to give you the most essential apps and softwares that I use to running multiple seven-figure agency so you can copy and paste what's the most efficient and obviously beat that learning curve and get the most bang for your buck with softwares. Number one, we use Basecamp. A lot of people use Slack, and to be honest with you, I can't stand the sound of Slack. I just don't like the interface as much. And every single team member or client that you bring on, you're paying so much more in fees. So Basecamp is just $97 a month, unlimited products, unlimited boards, unlimited team members. It is just more, it's just more streamlined for what we do, right? Slack doesn't have, all of the cool, like Google Drive features or the Campfire message board, like all these different things. They have pins and stuff, but it gets a little confusing sometimes. So with Basecamp, you can have Dropbox integrated, Google Drive integrated, like all these different things integrated, and you can have your chats. Also, Basecamp actually frames your clients to not bother you as much, because when you go into Campfire and, you start sending a message, like you feel guilty as hell, but in Slack, it feels like a ranting board. With Basecamp, you actually have to make an effort to send a message. So there's less like client management on that sense for us to be more productive with fulfillment. So that's the first thing is Basecamp. Number two is Zapier. A lot of the automations that we run in our business from, our lead ads, ClickFunnels, and, even Basecamp, we run that through Zapier. That's a huge app. If you're not using that, like to automate some of the stuff, like if you don't have a CRM, I'll get into that. That's gonna be number three. But wherever the leads are coming in, we use Calendly to book calls. So anything that happens to a lead in Calendly, we're able to take that lead in Calendly, send it to ActiveCampaign for email marketing, send it to HubSpot, which is number three, which is our CRM. This is a really cool CRM for anybody who is new to the SMMA game or is currently trying to find the right CRM. HubSpot is very, very basic and user-friendly, and it's a great way for you to actually harness your own CRM, putting leads in there, having the right nurture, text, emails, and etc. to make sure that you're converting more of your leads. So that is number three. Number four is going to be DataBox. Okay, DataBox is actually a great way for you to automate your client reporting. So on a weekly basis, and this would happen on your onboarding calls, right? So DataBox is, the client would sign in with their Facebook, TikTok, Google Ads, all of the platforms you're going to be running ads for. They sign into it on their DataBox dashboard, and all their active campaigns will automatically show on their dashboard, so that you're never going to get texts from clients anymore asking you, hey, what are my campaigns doing? They can just go to their own DataBox dashboard and they can see how their campaigns are doing without asking us. So like I said before, number one, just less communication, more fulfillment, right? So that's DataBox. Number four. As far as the fees for that, if you don't have at least 10 accounts, don't really get that right now, because they're going to charge you $300 a month, and then I believe it's $2 extra a month per account. So that's more for I would say an agency that's doing at least $25K a month, get DataBox. Number five is Calendly. This is where you can systemize all of your booked calls throughout the agency, from project management to, the chat managers, to your onboarding calls, to your sales calls. Being able to use Calendly is just way more efficient. I don't like OneHub. I don't like Acuity. To be honest, they're ugly and they're boring. Calendly is just way sexier, more streamlined. It works better with those Zapier automations as well, and allows you to just scale a lot more efficiently. And the questions, I've seen that Calendly converts with paid ads, and even even warm outreach that you're doing. Calendly just converts better, has a higher booking rate. So those are the top 5 most essential SMA apps that we use in our business. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace.